viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel. In Corporate Review Series today we bring up to you a leading company which not only lead in agri research but also manufacturing advanced robotic machines for agriculture which reduce human power and time. So let's start. Company name is AutoAgri. AutoAgri are devoted to development and manufacturing of autonomous implements carriers. These vehicles are designed with agricultural use in mind, but only imagination limits possible applications. Implements readily available in the market can be used. The size and capacities of the AutoAgri implement carrier are matched to fit existing equipment in the market. It is equipped with Cat 2 3-point hitch, PTO and hydraulics to fit equipment designed for traditional tractors as well as new equipment that further exploits new possibilities given by autonomy. Why AutoAgri carriers? Reduced cost. Guided by GPS, radar and other sensors, it can work on its own day and night. Due to efficient drivetrain, low weight and low operational speed, it cuts running costs significantly. Operations can be executed with precision, and under the most favorable weather conditions, minimizing usage of seeds, fertilizers and pesticides. Reduced soil compaction. Lower total mass. 20 to 50% larger footprint, vehicle weight ratio compared to typical farm tractors. Better loaded weight distribution due to center-mounted implements. Lower operational speed reduces soil compaction. Pure electric drive version makes zero-emission farming feasible for many applications. Description. Thanks for watching Next Generation. Please subscribe for more.